A piece is an artistic creation of inestimable value. While the term work of art is broad, encompassing music, literature, and performance, the term piece of art or art piece primarily refers to the tangible and enduring forms of the visual world. A piece is a physical manifestation of a vision. It includes works of art such as a sculpture or painting, as well as the immersive environments of conceptual installations and landscape design. It extends to the iconic permanence of a photograph and the structural elegance of a work of architecture. Beyond the traditional, a piece also defines objects designed for aesthetic brilliance. This includes the intricate craftsmanship of high jewelry and interior design pieces that bridge the gap between functional and purpose and pure aesthetic appeal. Whether it is a production of live performance like ballet or opera or a static object in a gallery, a piece is a singular unit of cultural expression. At Seed Gallery, the Art History and Economics Glossary examines how the definition of an object dictates its place in our history. A piece is more than a creation. It is the moment an idea takes a permanent form in the physical world. Discover more at seedgallerynewyork.com.